Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting episode in our Corel design series. In this video I'm going to show you how I was able to create this poster inside of CorelDraw. Yes, inside of CorelDraw. If you've not gotten your CorelDraw templates, you can click the link in the description of this video. These are CorelDraw templates that you can buy to aid up or speed up your design process. And also the Smart Designer Premium Asset is available where you get hundreds of templates and 3D fonts and also backgrounds and light effects, right? And lastly, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notification. Without having to say much, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is click on file and click on new like this. So I'm just going to set the size here. It's going to be 4x5. I'm going to input the name here. I'm using a CorelDraw 2024. So to get that, visit the link in the description of this video to get yours too. Alright. So to start off, I'm going to use my text to type my text. I'm just going to have ladies night here. Right. Simply typed out like this. My shape tool, I'm going to bring this up and I'm going to take this inside like this using the shape tool. Right, click on your pick tool. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this text apart, select this one and make it slightly bigger like this. Select the two of them and I want to change the font. So this is the font that I used. You can get all of these things inside of the Smart Designer Premium Asset also. So I can just move this out and also move this out like this. Okay. And also you can get your PNG images and your high resolution background. All right. So I'm just going to move this here and I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to make it bigger. Highlight again, Ctrl G to group it first. And I'm going to make it bigger like this. I'm going to expand it this way like this, expand this way like this, and I'm going to push it up like this. I think I can work with this. Double click to create a background and remove the outline. I'm going to select a color here. Right, so I'm going to hold down Control and click on this black to give it a darker shade. Give this one a white and still select it like this. Move this upward. Hold down Control and click on this orange twice to give it this shade. Now you want to go on to your resource file. The link to download these images are also in the resource file. So you don't want to miss that part of this video. So make it smaller, holding down Shift. Make it smaller like this. And let me increase the size a little bit like this. Okay, so like I said, you can also get the resource file and also your flyer template with the link in the description of this video. So you can click on any of the links and it takes you to what you should download. All right, so I'm going to put this inside like this with my shape tool and of course I'm going to make this slightly smaller like this. Okay, so I think I like it this way. Right, so I'm going to use my transparency to make a transparency on the image itself. So select a rectangle and draw a rectangle here like this. And of course, I'm going to select this color, my eyedropper, and fill it here. Right, go back to your pick tool and click on none for the outline. With this tool selected, hold down Control and click on this black until you get depth on the red itself. And I'm going to fade this like this and bring it up this way. So select the ladies night, change the color to white, and I'm just going to bring it inside like this. Shift page up to bring this up like this and make it bigger. And Yeah, this is what I have. Nicely done. So with this text, make it slightly bigger like this, so I have something visible. Move this slightly upward. So let's come back here then. So go over to your source file. I took our time to type all of these things so that we don't spend the whole day trying to work with our text and everything. Press P on your keyboard to centralize it to the page like this, and there you go, easy peasy. Right, now let's click on the background and go over to select noise. Click on add noise. Now copy my settings for this. So I'm going to increase this and also increase density. So when you zoom in, this is the effect it's creating. So you can see, easy peasy. Right. So guys, this is how I was able to create this flyer inside of CorelDraw. Right now, I'm just going to do a last thing on this image. I'm just going to go to, and I'm going to select adjust, and I'm going to select auto adjust. Now CorelDraw has a way of fixing the image by itself to balance it off with the background and everything. So guys, like I said, this is how I was able, I'm just going to make this darker, holding down my control, and there you go. This was how I was able to create this flyer inside of CorelDraw. If you've liked this video, if you've followed me to this point and you've done well trying to recreate this, please, and if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share, like, and drop a comment as to what kind of videos you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video, just up above. Ciao.